Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a front yard porch pad for a customer who's wanting an area they can do activities in. They're gonna fence it in, stuff like that. It's pretty large, but it is in front of the house, so access is great. Stick around for the excavation, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe, guys. See you then. Bye-bye. All right, guys, there it is. So this area here, wow, they must have ground it down really deep, because we took out, well, like a 1.5 to 2 feet of road base here, which I mean of whatchamacallit, ground up stump. But got it all laid out. Customer wanted this bend here. We did hit a little line from that light right there that was going through here, a little low voltage line, so we had to splice it, hook it up, put it inside a conduit, and then lay it around the perimeter. But there it is, guys. It was kind of difficult because what level do we choose? Were we going to be level with this here and then high over there, or level with that there, low over here? We decided to go level over there, slightly low here, follow this. The customer knew there was going to be a step here. She kind of wanted a that's the adult area, and then the kids can hang out here type situation. And then there's a 3 to 4 foot buffer here between the property line. If there's ever an issue of too much water going that way, which there isn't, because you can tell they got some nice setup here, they can put a French drain system here if it need be, which I don't think they will. But there it is, guys. Got a little step there, nice little area. Due to some supplying issues, we're not certain if we're getting concrete tomorrow. We're waiting on some calls. Either way, we'll pour it next week. But still, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you when the pour comes around. See you then, guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Pour went well. We poured a little bit dry, kind of like a 5-ish, 4-ish around there. Poured at 7 in the morning. Our supplier came through. We weren't gonna pour today, but they found a space for us because we like pouring real early in the morning, the way everyone should do it. But there it is, guys. Everything came out good. We have our little step, got a joint in front of the step. I'm certain even though we put the joint in front of the step, it'll crack where the step meets the horizontal stuff. So, but either way, we tried. But there it is, nice little pad, came out really nice. What do you guys think? Next week we are doing a back patio with the sidewalk, and we're gonna do it in 2 pours, so there might be a delay on that video. But thanks for clicking on our video. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe, guys. See you then. Bye bye.